Hi there, welcome back. We'll continue in this tutorial with the upper floor of the terraced houses. This was where we stopped the last time. We will look at putting in some of the walls in the upper floor and go on from there. So looking at what we've currently got, just looking at that, we don't need the internal railing there. So if I just click on it and delete that, that looks better. If we go back to if we go to level 1, that is the upper floor. First of all, you see where the because of since we're on the upper floor, you can see through what we've done on the ground floor, because that is an underlay. The level 0 is the underlay in level 1. And where you check that out is if you look at your properties palette, look at underlay, you see there's level 0 there. If I click on it and I say none, you see that disappears completely. And if I click on it and put it down there, that comes back. So I mean, depending on whether you want to use that as a guideline or not, you can decide whether to leave it on or leave it off. Let's leave it off for now. So let's say if we go to wall, basic wall partition block, that is fine. We can use that to start our upper floor bedrooms. There are 2 bedrooms on this floor. So let's start. So the tallest is around here. Right. There's a bedroom, I think, starting around here. And there's a corridor round about there. Right, I think there's another wall around here, completing that. Cancel. I'll very quickly show you the reference drawing, which is on AutoCAD, if I can find my AutoCAD. Right, so that is what we're trying to draw. You can see that wall, and then that's the bathroom. There's a bedroom there, and there's an airing cupboard there, and then that's another bedroom and a store. So that's what we are trying to achieve. So if we come back to our to our drawing, there's a store round about there. And there was a wall And I need to move that out a bit. If I go to my door, right, let's move that out a bit, move that out a bit. Door. And there's a small store at this corner here. So if I go back to wall, and if I use a smaller door for that storage cupboard door, still quite small, so I need to move that wall out a bit. That opens outside. There's a small store, and there's the airing cupboard. There's there. If I move this out a bit, this will save some room, and use door. Change that to the other side. Okay, sometimes I like using this command, which is room, just to check on the sizes of the rooms. Yep. Just taking a sneak peek at the AutoCAD drawing. Obviously this is the bigger room and that is a smaller room, so we need to adjust our drawing to reflect that. So if I move this wall out first of all, and then move my door, then I can move this wall. The nice thing about doing it this way is straight away you can see the areas. So that's 10 square meters. If I move that, there's still some space to move that to 9 square meters. This should really be about 12 square meters. Yes, that's what we're looking for. So 12 square meters is a nice double room. Oh, nope. I need to move that door first. Right, just looking at that, we'll probably have a headroom a problem over here. So what I'll do is I'm going to remove this particular stall. Bring that back. Right, that gives you a better headroom on this when you're climbing the stairs. I'll just bring this back a bit to give some space there. Oh, actually, just give us small space. I'll put that back down. So let's look at this bathroom then. What we can do is go to Architecture, Components, Load Family. We'll go to Plumbing, Architectural, Fixtures, Bathtubs. There are different types of bathtubs there. Let's go with the first one there. That's quite a large bath. Let's get something else. So we go back to Plumbing, Architectural, Fixtures, Bathtubs, Bath 3. Let's see what size that is. That's better. So if I put that against my wall there, and I can use my spacebar to turn it, and then just snugly fit it at the corner. Right, so I can move this wall to provide more space. More space in the at the top of the stair, and then I can then go back to Component. I think I may have brought in WC pan before. Yes, I have. So if I just move that against that wall and use my spacebar, that fits in there. And then I need a wash hand basin. If I do Components again, I don't think I've brought in a wash hand basin previously. No, so I can just go to Load Family, Plumbing Fixtures, Plumbing, Architectural, Fixtures, and small basin, quantity units. There are all different types in there, so you probably will just have got to select one. That's it, double one. Sink, bathroom. Send it to the bathroom. Let's go with that one. Put it against that wall and use your spacebar. That'll straighten it up. Okay, it's quite a lot of space here, I think. So we can move this closer, get this wall back this way. Actually, give more space to this room right here. Move that wall back a bit. I need to put a door here, so into this room. By the way, all you need to do to change the labeling on that is to click it and then just type in this case bedroom. So you see, bedroom 2. Click out of that, go to architecture, and then I need door, size door. I need good 9-10 door, a decent size door. Then change its direction that way. That should actually be a 9-10 door. So if I go click on the 8-10, it will give me the options. I'll select 9-10. The same. Okay, we'll have to adjust this. I want this as 9-10 door. It will conflict with this wall. But let's adjust this first. It will perhaps give me an error because of the conflict. Yes. What I need to do is pull this wall back. If I pull that wall back, unjoin elements, that is fine. I'll move this wall and I need to pull this wall back as well. I'll pull it back further in. This door, this is a store, so it doesn't need all that space. So if I move this back that way and just pull it in slightly, yep, pull this back in that way, and I can come here, use that joins up there. Actually, I'll just delete that, and I can fillet these two, and then I can send that wall to that wall. Okay, we still got 9 square meters, which is fine for a single room. 12 square meters for the double room. So if we call that bedroom 1. Right. Nope. And I think that is that. The only additional thing to do will will be to putting the beds in these rooms. Well, let's stop there in this tutorial. We have looked at the upper floor, we have inserted all the walls. You can see the problem solving as it happens. What we saw is you adjust. An easy, quick way I find doing bedrooms, just use the room tag, which is in your architecture. That room tag, put it in there, and then you can adjust the walls, and then it'll give you the areas that you're looking for. I mean, it saves you trying to solve calculate each room by itself. That's a very quick, short method of doing that. So we have done put our walls. You can see the different ways of adjusting and moving, and there are various ways you can do it. It does not have to be exactly the way I have just done it. There are other ways, or as you become comfortable with Revit, there are many ways that you can use to tackle the same problem. So this is just one of the ways. And we'll bring this tutorial to an end here, and next tutorial we will continue.